Hey everyone, Paul Akers, another great new product. This one comes from Tom Gafkin, who's a serial inventor here at FastCap, comes up with all kinds of great products. It's called the Adjustable Shelf Spacer. Check this out. You want to set a shelf perfectly, easily on both sides without struggling? This thing will do it. So here's a direct example. You got a shelf you want to put in a lower cabinet, upper cabinet, pantry cabinet. Let's say I want to set the shelf so these plates fit in there. I'm just going to open this thing up like this to that height. That's about the height I want it. I'll take the second one. Notice all the beautiful aluminum in the back. Really great product. I'll just take the second one, lower it down to the same height, just like that, so they're nice and even. Everything's perfect. Then just tighten the knobs so nothing goes down. Then just throw them into your cabinet like this. Just like that. Take your shelf, put your shelf in, and you're set. Then you can screw them from the side, drill line boring holes, do whatever you have to do. But the bottom line is you'll never struggle again to put a shelf in. And one more thing, 5 inches to 32 inches, it opens up. So you really have a lot of flexibility here. The Adjustable Shelf Spacer from FastCap, affectionately known as the app. These adjustable shelf spacers are awesome. You're gonna love this product.